In Roombr, hosting an instant session is just a click away. Let's dive into creating an instant session together. To create an instant session, simply click on the Teach Now button located on the top right of the application. You'll see two options: online session for remote participants or offline class for in-person sessions. Next, provide a title for your session. By default, your name will be displayed as the title. You'll see a preview of your streaming camera. You can enable or disable it, as well as toggle the microphone on or off. From the settings on the right-hand side, choose the resources you want to use in the session, such as microphone and camera. One camera and one mic can be chosen. Once ready, click Proceed to be redirected to the session page. The board will be opened by default, and online participants will be displayed on the right side. Now, if you're conducting an offline class, provide the session title and choose the recording layout. You can record the session with a screen with camera, or select camera only, or select screen only. Now you can also choose where the cameras appear on the recorded output. Show auto, or choose Show Left option, or choose Show Right option. Once settings are configured, click Proceed to be redirected to the session page. The board will be opened by default and recording will start automatically. And just like that, you're ready to conduct your instant session. Whether online or offline, Roombr has you covered. Let's get started.
Roombr.